Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Before I start the review, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below so I can continue to bring you the best and latest gadgets reviews. In today's episode, we'll be looking at the Gravastar Mars Pro Premium Bluetooth speaker. This one right here. The speaker looks like something straight out of a sci-fi film and is sure to draw attention. It stands on 3 legs like a tripod. It has 1-inch tweeter at the front and 2.5-inch woofer at the back. Its battery lasts a decent 15 hours and it fully recharges in just 4 hours. The body is made out of zinc alloy, which gives the speaker a very premium feel. It is also heavy, which makes it sturdy and prevents it from shaking when playing loud bassy music. The 3 legs can fold up, allowing you to carry it around with ease. There's a USB-C port at the bottom of the unit that allows you to charge it without having to tip it over, since the body is a reasonable distance off the surface. The speaker itself does not have a 3.5mm audio jack. Instead, it comes with a handy USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, which allows you to connect it to your MP3 player, TV or music instrument that doesn't support Bluetooth. Or you can also use it to minimize latency to reduce lag while playing games or watching movies. The Mars Pro supports Bluetooth 5, which has better range and resilience compared to the old Bluetooth 4.2. The speaker also comes with WTS, which allows you to connect 2 units as left and right channels, so you can enjoy a stereo sound just like a hi-fi system. There are 6 dynamic RGB lights situated around the speaker and the legs that can all change color. The system can be controlled via buttons on the body. You can either set the lights to a static color, have them gradually change over time, or make them flash with a beat. Finally, there is also an LED volume control, which is touch sensitive, that responds well and looks super stylish. Now, if you want to see what comes in the box, then check this unboxing video and I'll catch up with you after that for some funky sound demos. The Mars Pro features 1-inch tweeter and 2.5-inch woofer capable of producing a 20 watts RMS power, enough to fill a large room with loud and punchy music. The tweeter and woofer are separated by a crossover to produce undistorted clear sound at high volume and bassy sound even at low volume. I'm gonna now demonstrate its capability of playing bassy tunes, but also some classical vocals and dance music, and I'll catch up with you after that for my verdict. And while the music's playing, please take the time to subscribe for more great reviews.
Ready to pair. Bluetooth connected.
Three, two, one. what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And
'cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Right, so it's high-end, high-performance Bluetooth speaker that makes one hell of a first impression. Its sci-fi design and zinc alloy metal body, equipped with RGB lights, will definitely upgrade your desktop or living room, and it's guaranteed to make your friends jealous and they will want one. For the sound quality, my advice is to use an EQ to get the perfect sound to suit your mood. I personally crank up the trebles but keep the bass flat, and the sound will definitely bring a smile to your face. Also, you need to run the speaker for a few hours to break it in and make it sound its best. And finally, thank you for making it this far, and if you did, that means you have hopefully enjoyed the review. Please give us a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you again in the next video. Bye!